Okay. Y dash is z. Z square minus y square. Okay, so after conversion, so second order is converted to first order. Let us write properly so that we want now 5 quantities. 5 quantities are f, g, x naught, y naught, z naught. Okay, for that, therefore, what we have now? First equation we have to consider this dy by dx. Y dash is dy by dx, which is equal to z, and this we have to refer it as f. Correct? Similarly, what we have the second equation, dz by dx is equal to x into z square minus y square. This can be considered as a function g. Next, we have to take this, which is, okay, this is nothing but these conditions. What they have given, y equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So this is when x is changing, that time y and y dash are changing. So this is the initial value for x. This can be referred as the value x naught. This value is referred as y naught. And this value is referred as, what is y dash? Y dash is nothing but z. So this becomes z naught. Hope clear? X naught is 0, y naught is 1, and z naught is 0. With the help of this, now we can proceed further and we can calculate as per required, that is by RK method, we can calculate what is the value of y when x is equal to 0.2. Now here the important thing, one more thing, in the formula you can observe one more quantity which is h. Correct? What is the value of h now? So h is nothing but by adding to this x naught, whatever the value x we wanted, we should get it. So this is 0 means h has to be 0.1, no? H has to be 0.1. Yeah, hera peri answer, Mr. 0.2. So what is the thing? X1 you can take it as x naught plus h, which is nothing but 0.2. So we are going to calculate what is y1 with the help of what? RK method. Now, let us start. Yeah, let us start solving it. First, what we have to calculate by RK method? By RK method, first we need to calculate K1, correct? Formula is H into f of x naught, y naught, z naught. Yes. Substitute the values. H is nothing but 0.2. F of x naught is 0. Y naught is 1. Z naught is 0. Now, how is the function f defined? F of x, y, z is nothing but just z. So, what do you have in place of z? In place of z, you have it as 0. So, this is 0.2 into function defined as 0. So, the value is 0. Now, even in the previous case, k1 we have got it as 0. So, don't say always k1 is 0. It depends on the problem. Okay. Now, after this, what we have to calculate? Shall I calculate k2? L1 we have to calculate. Formula is 100% same. Instead of F, it has to be G. Yes, H is 0.2, G of 0, 1, 0. Okay, this is equal to now 0.2. Now see how the function G defined. So G is nothing but G of three values x, y, z is nothing but x into z square minus y square. So you should multiply this, square it and multiply with this, like x into z square minus y square. So this is what you have in place of x is 0, correct? 0 into z square. Z in place of z you have it as 0 minus, okay, in place of y you have it as 1. So it is 1 square. So the value of the bracket value is minus 1 into 0.2, it is going to be minus 0.2. This is the value of L1. Okay. Yes. After L1, we need to calculate what is K2. Formula is H into F of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus uh, K1 by 2, z naught plus L1 by 2. So this is 0.2 f of x naught is 0. So it will not matter much this value. So we have to take h by 2. H is 0.2 divided by 2 means 0.1. Y naught is 1. 1 plus your K1 is 0. So it is 1 only. Z naught is Z naught is 0, then plus L1 by 2. So this is going to be minus 0.2 divided by 2 means minus 0.1. Okay, now this is going to be now 0.2. How is the function f defined? F is defined as just z we have to consider. So in place of z we have it as minus zero point 0.1. Now, when you take this format, no need to write it as f because already you have applied a f. Just see here, when you are applying a function f on the three variable, no need to write that f. You have to write that variable z. So that is what we are doing here. Minus 0.1. Multiply minus 0.02. This is K2. Yeah. After this, we have to calculate what is L2. Formula is same. Instead of F, use it as G. Yeah. Again, don't search for the values. What I said, write these values same. So this is H is 0.2, G of 0.1, 1 minus zero point 0.1. Just shut up. Who is this? Huh? Just check who is this and message me, please. Message me. Let me see what the next thing I have to do now. Hmm? Just message me privately. Akash, is it Mr. Akash? CV007. Answer. Unmute. I have a record. Who was playing that?